Did you know the root system is the heart that determines whether a plant is healthy or not? Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. A plant can only truly grow well when it has a healthy white root system that grows quickly and absorbs nutrients effectively. However, many plants after a period of growing often develop slow root growth, weak roots, or even root rot due to compact soil and lack of nutrients. Therefore, in today's video, I will share with you an organic fertilizer formula that uses only simple ingredients available in the kitchen, even ingredients that seem useless and are usually thrown away. When this method is used correctly, it helps stimulate the plant to produce many new roots, helps the roots grow strongly, attach more firmly, and supports plant recovery extremely effectively. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you will not miss any plant care tips on the Great Garden channel. Let us begin. Do you have onions in your refrigerator? Few people know that onions are not only a familiar kitchen ingredient, but they can also become an extremely good organic fertilizer for plants. First, use a small knife to cut off the onion skins. Onion skins contain many natural minerals, vitamins, and compounds with antibacterial properties that help stimulate new root growth, limit fungal diseases, and support healthier plant development. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, prepare a clean glass cup. Use scissors to cut the onion skins into small pieces. This helps the nutrients and natural essential oils in the onion skins release more easily when soaked in water, helping the plant absorb them more effectively during use. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup. Use a spoon to stir evenly, so the nutrients from the onion skins dissolve better into the water. This helps make the solution more uniform, helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively during use. Finally, close the lid and steep the solution for 1 hour. While waiting, I will lightly rinse the plant with clean water. This helps evenly moisten the entire growing medium and root system, helping the plant avoid shock when absorbing the organic fertilizer solution afterward. In addition, rinsing beforehand also helps wash away excess mineral salts and residue remaining in the soil after long-term use of chemical fertilizers. This helps the root system become more airy and limits the risk of root burn during fertilization. For weak plants or plants that have just recovered after repotting, this step is especially important because the roots are still very sensitive. When the soil already has moderate moisture, the plant will absorb nutrients more gently and effectively, thereby stimulating the growth of many healthy new roots. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. After 1 hour, when the onion solution has cooled, I filter out the residue and keep only the pure liquid. This liquid contains many natural nutrients that help stimulate root growth, support plant recovery, and promote healthier development. At this point, you only need to add 1 liter of clean room temperature water to dilute the solution. That is it. We now have a solution to water the orchids. Method 1. First, pour the diluted onion skin solution into a clean glass cup. After that, use cotton or a soft cloth to absorb the solution and gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the orchid leaves. This method helps remove dirt and long-term buildup from the leaf surface, keeping the leaves clean and airy, thereby increasing photosynthesis efficiency for the plant. In addition, the natural nutrients in the onion skins also help nourish the leaves, supporting greener, firmer, and healthier orchid foliage. You can clean the leaves about once per month, or whenever you notice excessive dust accumulation, to help the orchid pot always remain fresh, healthy, and beautiful. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 2. Next, pour the processed and diluted onion skin solution into a spray bottle. Then lightly and evenly mist the entire orchid plant, including the leaves, stem, and root area. This spraying method helps the natural nutrients in the onion skins quickly penetrate through the leaf surface, supporting the plant in absorbing nutrients more effectively. As a result, the orchid plant receives timely micronutrient supplementation, increases resistance, limits fungal diseases, and helps the roots, stems, and leaves develop more healthily. You can apply this method about 1 to 2 times per month to maintain plant health and help the orchid grow steadily and sustainably. Besides orchids, I also spray this solution on peace lily plants. The onion skin solution helps supplement natural nutrients, supports more stable and healthier root development, and these micronutrients also help peace lily leaves become darker green, firmer, and less likely to yellow. In addition, the natural compounds in onion skins also help limit fungal diseases and support better recovery when the plant becomes weakened. When used regularly, peace lily plants will grow greener, healthier, develop fewer diseases, and maintain long-lasting freshness. Method 3. Pour the onion solution into a clean watering container, then gently water around the base of the plant. Using the onion solution helps supplement many natural nutrients and essential trace minerals for the soil, supports healthier root development, and increases the plant's ability to absorb nutrients. In addition, The natural compounds in onions also help stimulate the plant to produce many new roots, supporting recovery for plants that are weakened or slow growing. When the root system becomes healthier, the plant will also absorb water better, helping the leaves become greener and develop more steadily. Furthermore, the onion solution also helps limit fungal diseases and helps the soil environment become more airy, especially suitable for plants that often experience root waterlogging or yellowing leaves. You can apply this method about once every 2 to 3 weeks to help the plant maintain vitality, develop sustainably, and remain green and healthy long term. Results after 2 months of application. The leaves became darker green, thicker, and shinier. The young leaves developed strongly, helping the plant photosynthesize more effectively and maintain better vitality. The root system also recovered clearly, with many new roots appearing with healthy white-green root tips firmly attaching to the growing medium. As a result, the plant absorbed water and nutrients more steadily, creating a strong foundation for long-term growth. In addition, the plant developed more evenly, and the stems and leaves became noticeably firmer. Plants that previously had yellow leaves and slow growth also gradually recovered and produced healthier new leaves after a period of using the onion skin solution. What do you think about this natural plant care method using onion skins? Have you ever tried applying this method to your plants? Please share your experience in the comments section. This is the well-deserved result of patience and applying the correct care method. When nourished properly, plants will respond with long-lasting vitality and lush green beauty. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any simple and effective plant care tips. See you in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.